Now it's going to be time to get started on our EVAP purge solenoid. That's going to be located right here under the cover. Use your 8mm socket and remove this bolt. Get this right out of the way. The next thing we need to do is use a nice small pocket screwdriver, and we're going to press right along this white piece right here. You'll notice that it presses in towards the black, and then it should relieve this so you can pull it right up and off. Set that aside. Come right under here. There's a little flippy-do. You can either grab it with your finger or your small screwdriver, pull it away, and then you should be able to lift that up as well. Next, we're going to remove our 10mm bolt. And lift this right up and out of here. Let's go ahead and get this off of here. Put this aside. Now we'll put it right on our new one. Slide that right over the O-ring, and then right over this. Now we can take this unit. We're going to carefully slide it down and in here. So that slid right in there, nice and easy. We'll take our bolt, start that in there, and we'll snug it right up. Now remember that you're just screwing into plastic here, so when you tighten this up, you want to have a nice small ratchet. You don't want anything that's going to apply too much pressure. We're just going to put this on until it bottoms out. Okay, give it a nice wiggle, make sure that it's secure. Once you've done all that, go ahead and start reconnecting it. Got our electrical, and of course this should slide right on. Perfect. Now it's time to get the cover on. Just pay attention to those two hooky-doos back there, and then the two slots on the cover. Line it up so it fits right in. Lay this down, and then your bolt should line right up. Snug it up. All right, start it up, take it for a road test.